Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn French accents and alphabet. To learn French, firstly you should know the accents in French because they completely change the meaning and sound of the words. So today I'd like to concentrate on three accents: grave, aigu, and cédille. The first one is accent grave. Here the little dash on the E goes from right up to the left. It sounds as a, a. As an example, you can see la mère, the mother. Second one is accent aigu. Here that little dash on the E goes from left up to the right. It sounds as a, a. As an example, you can see l'été, l'été, the summer. And the third one is cédille, cédille. Here you can see a little s attached to a c. It sounds as s, s. The example for this will be les garçons, the boys. Now we come to our second topic, l'alphabet, l'alphabet, the alphabet. I'm going to pronounce each letter one by one so you can hear the pronunciation clearly. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, F, J, J, H, H, E, E, G, G, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, V, W, W, X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z. Now in the second round, repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, J, H, E, G, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more French lessons.